Get started, you visit renipay.netlify.app. So you see the login page, but as a new user, there's a need for you to sign up for a free account or I follow your username. Let's see, or Afola. Email or at renipay.ng. Let's see, password. I create a free account. So we created an account, so let's sign up. I sign in. So oops, there's an error on the password. Try it again. So let's log in. All right, now we're successfully logged in. So what we need to do is now, for someone who's expecting payment, you copy your URL and send it to the person I want to pay you. Let's say I'll send it to my customer. So my customer inputs it on the Google browser and it brings out a payment page, which will pop up now. So from the payment page, the customer or the client effects payment to me, who is the seller. So it has popped up. So now what I need to do is connect my wallet. Yes, my wallet is connected. So I put the amount, let's say $1. So payment from, let's say, Ore Enterprises. Yes, and let's say let's choose RESD. I currently have Matic, so let's try it. Let's see. So it's synchronizing with my MetaMask wallet. I'm trying to effect the payment. Confirm. It's currently loading. Yes, payment is successful. So now as the business owner just visit your page, your dashboard, then refresh, you'll see it's now affected. Yes, you can see current balance from $0 to $1. You can see your transaction history, what people that have sent money to you. Yes, you can see all enterprises have sent you money. You can go back to your profile. You can actually contact support to get more information, to resolve whatever challenges you are experiencing. And also you can actually edit the beneficiaries, people that are paying you, people you want to accept payment from, and whatever settings, then you can log out when you are ready. Thank you very much. That is how Renipay simply works. Try it out today.